How to care for tape-in hair extensions for maximum lifespan. Tape-in hair extensions are often chosen by people who want a natural look without the bulk or tension of traditional methods. They are lightweight, discreet, and flexible in styling. Yet, despite using high-quality hair and professional installation, many wearers experience the same frustration. Tape-in extensions do not last as long as promised. This problem usually appears after the first few weeks of wear. The hair begins to feel dry, some wefts shift slightly, and maintenance becomes more frequent than expected. Those affected are often people who believe they already understand how to care for tape-in hair extensions, following routines that work well for natural hair but overlook the needs of bonded extensions. The reason for this frustration is simple. Tape-in hair extensions fail early not because people neglect them, but because they apply the wrong logic. Learning how to care for tape-in hair extensions requires a shift in mindset, from treating them like natural hair to caring for them as a bonded system with specific limits and structural needs. https://then-how-to-care-for-tape-and-hair-extensions Hashtag how to carry fortsten shank hashtag tape-in hair extensions hashtag how to maintain tape-in hair extensions hashtag how to wash hair with tape-in hair extensions